Everything about the DJI NEO has now been leaked, but thanks to the leaked user manual, we know more details about Acro Mode with its limitations and a possible new cheap FPV goggle. I'll show you everything you need to know in this video. Let's get into it. The full user manual of the DJI NEO has been leaked. We now know all the flight modes the drone will be able to fly in, starting with the standard Cine, Normal, and Sport mode, available with the RCN3 included in the Fly More combo kit. And finally, we have Manual Mode. This is what the manual says: Classic FPV aircraft control mode with the highest maneuverability. In Manual Mode, all flight assistance functions including precise hovering and autobrake are disabled, and proficient control skills are required. It also confirms the controller compatibility, as it says, Manual Mode is only supported when using the DJI FPV Remote Controller 3. However, the user manual points out some limitations to Acro Mode flying. It says, DJI NEO can be used as an entry-level drone for Manual Mode. It is suitable for practicing throttle control, maintaining altitude and level flight, but not for continuous high-speed flights and high maneuverability actions, such as dive, split S, power loop, and yaw spin. Otherwise, the attitude of the aircraft may be unable to be controlled due to the propulsion limit. That is exactly what I previously thought about Acro Mode on the NEO. It won't be a full manual mode like on regular FPV drones, due to the lack of power of the motors themselves. It's designed to be an entry-level FPV drone, as the manual says. While it was expectable, also disappointing, because there are many FPV tiny whoops, and handle tricks, and a pretty good speed. We'll see how it really performs when the real-life tests come out. There's one last thing about the NEO, a new cheap pair of goggles. I already mentioned them in a post from a few weeks ago, but considering what the manual says, the chances are even higher. As it never mentions which goggles are compatible, it just refers to the DJI website. That could mean DJI will release a new pair of entry-level goggles, also compatible with the upcoming O4 Air unit. DJI could do that to stack up against competition, such as the Walksnail system, the new entry-level goggles L, to offer a cheaper product to enter digital FPV. But nothing is confirmed for now, so we'll see later on. Subscribe to be updated, and drop a like on this video.